Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix multiple photos music option not showing on Instagram account. So guys, when you want to upload multiple photos in your story on your post and facing issue that this music option is not showing, so guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you have to go back, and guys, after going to back, simply you need to check for update. So guys, maybe your app is not updated. When you have open your Instagram here, as you can see, search your Instagram, and guys, you need to open your Instagram, and guys, if your app is not updated, simply you need to update it. And after doing update, your problem will be fixed and you will be able to get that music option on multiple photos. And guys, the second method is you have to open your settings, and guys, click on general, click on iPhone storage, and below you need to click on Instagram, and guys, you need to offload your app. And after doing offload, you need to reinstall again, and after doing this you have to go back. And guys, if still not fix your problem, you have to open your Instagram, click on your main profile, click on three lines, click on settings and privacy, scroll it below, and guys, click on help, click on report our problem. And guys, after this you have to write here your problem that you are facing related music, and guys, upload a screenshot, and simply you have to send your problem. Within few minutes your problem will be fixed. So guys, this is the video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.